Hi, Aviv from Champion Garage Door. Now I will show you a very common issue with sensors that many times when someone call us and tell us that the door not going down, they look on the sensor, they don't see anything, but they sometimes missing something very important. And this is a great example. So I will show you first. Now, what I want to show you, I will take the door down basically, okay? And you will see I want that you see that. You see how it's reversed? I just gonna throw those things out. So as you can see, sometimes it's a very easy fix. You just want to look around, see if there is any leaves or something stuck on the bottom of the door, and that can resolve everything. Thank you. Have a great day. Aviv from Champion Garage Door. Let me know if you need anything.